Hey guys, today we're talking about the Mingle foam cannon. I'm sure there's a bunch of dudes that have done a bunch of other reviews about this thing. What I wanted to try out was my little concoction I've got here. I got this little adapter tip, takes a garden hose, puts it right into a pressure washer, and I want to see how that would perform in here. So when you twist this barrel, you get that to close and open, and then you can turn this. This weighs more, this weighs less. So let's give this thing a try and see if do you need a pressure washer to make this work. Let's check it out. So that's a fail. You cannot use this with this. Will not work. I'll keep trying, but I just don't think it's gonna happen. I'm gonna go no. I'm gonna vote a no. Can't use a tip with the Mingle foam cannon. Let's bust out my power washer and see how this thing actually does. Okay, we got the old pressure washer hooked up. Stick this gun on the end of it. Now, let's open it up all the way. Let's go all the way, because we're going all the way. Oh, baby. Okay, let's try this now. Okay, so the Mingle, the pressure washer, now this is legitimate. Are you seeing that? Are you seeing that foam action? Looks like a different car. That's how a foam gun's supposed to work. Pressure washer, foam gun. This thing rocks. 10 out of 10. Now let's rinse it down. I mean, that seems to be the real deal here. This guy and a power washer, the real deal. If you want to try to use this thing with something like this, it just isn't going to work. I think it really needs the pressure from the power washer to produce anything. So if you don't have a pressure washer, this one totally isn't for you at all. Even with the garden hose and adapter, it doesn't seem to work. Why don't we double check that? Let's test this. Now that we got the foam really flowing, let's see if it does work with the garden hose. I mean, just know you need a power washer for this. So final verdict, you 100% need a power washer with the Mingle. So hopefully that helps you make a better buying decision. The Mingle, real deal, but you need a real power washer for it. So hope that helps.